Best fryer. The popularity of air fryers has skyrocketed as home cooks look for healthier, faster, and more convenient ways to enjoy their favorite meals. With little to no oil, air fryers offer crispy, delicious results that rival traditional frying. This guide evaluates the cooking capacity, versatility, temperature range, smart features, and ease of use to help you find the best air fryer for your kitchen and lifestyle. List 9. Ninja Foodi 10QT 6-in-1 Dual Zone Smart XL Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi 10QT Dual Zone Smart XL Air Fryer is perfect for large households or serious meal preppers. With two 5-quart baskets, you can cook 2 foods at different temperatures simultaneously, or sync them to finish together. Its smart cook system uses an integrated thermometer to ensure meats are cooked perfectly without guesswork. With 6 cooking modes including air fry, roast, broil, reheat. List 2. Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 with 5 QT capacity. Compact yet powerful, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 5 QT is ideal for small families or couples. With 4 versatile functions, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it's equipped with air crisp technology that delivers crisp textures without excessive oil. It can reach temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for quick cooking, browning, and crisping frozen food. The compact design fits nicely on most countertops. List 3. Ninja Air Fryer 4-in-1. Roast, bake, broil, reheat. This classic Ninja Air Fryer is a proven favorite for its simple operation and reliable results. It handles 4 key functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, making it a multifunctional workhorse. The 4-quart capacity is great for individuals or smaller families. List number: Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1, 6-quart with turbo mode. The Cosori 6-quart air fryer is an excellent mid-sized model with a powerful 9-in-1 cooking system. What sets it apart is its turbo mode, which uses rapid heat circulation for faster, even cooking. With a broad temperature range of 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for everything from low-temp dehydrating to high-temp crisping. The presets make cooking foolproof, while manual mode gives experienced users full control. List number 5. Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer XL 8-Cubit. For those who need capacity and simplicity, the Chefman TurboFry Touch XL 8-Cubit Air Fryer is a top contender. With a family-sized basket, it's perfect for big meals, hosting, or batch cooking. The digital one-touch controls offer presets for popular foods like fries, chicken, and seafood. Its high-speed air circulation system delivers consistent, crispy results with minimal oil.